Hello there, welcome to this new and exciting tutorial where we are going to learn how to set up an Instagram shop. To set up an Instagram shop, you will need to have a Facebook page. So to create a Facebook page, it's easy. You simply go to your Facebook account and then you create a page, and that is simple. So when you are on your Facebook account here, to create a page, it's simple. You simply click on those three dots and then you come to pages down here, and then you click on create a new page. Then you put your page name here, whatever the name you want to call it, and then the category. Once you start typing, it will select. Maybe I want it to be education, so just type education. Yes, it's our education. It's educational consultant, and then you put the bio here, which is optional. Then you click on create a page, and then you can add these other details such as images on this side. So that's how you create a page. But since I already have a page, you notice I already have a page here called Joe Match. So I'll go directly to my page and show you how to set up an Instagram shop. So once you're on your Facebook page, you simply come to the left hand side under your page. You'll notice we have the Meta Business Suite here. You simply go to the inbox. You click on inbox below it and you'll see planner, publishing tools, and all that. So you simply click on inbox, and inbox will help you come to this page where you can see all messages, Messenger, Instagram, Facebook comments, and Instagram comments. So you will come to Instagram at the top here, Instagram, and then you will scroll down and you notice connect to Instagram to get more features. You can share stories, posts, and ads across Facebook and Instagram. You can also manage comments and messages in one place, and then you can also sync profiles info such as names and websites. So to connect to Instagram, you will click on connect Instagram down here, and then you'll notice here that Facebook and Instagram will have access to content and insights, messages, and settings and permissions. So you can read more on this one, but once you are done, you click on continue, and then you choose Instagram message settings. You can allow Facebook to access Instagram messages inbox or not. So you can toggle this one on or off. So you can choose what to do, but it's simple. You click on continue, and then it will open up this pop-up, and then you now need to log in to your Instagram account. So you notice here it needs me to log in. In case this is not the account you want to log in with, you can switch accounts down here, but I want to log in as Josh for the account that is logged in this PC. Then you click on leave page so that it logs you in to Instagram within the Facebook page. And with that, you notice now Instagram connected. So your Facebook page and Instagram account are now connected. So with that, you now click on done. And with this, you already have done like 70% of setting up your Instagram shop. Now, with that, you now come back here to Meta Business Suite. Once you click on Meta Business Suite, it will now open your page, and under all tools down here, you'll notice we have inbox, content planner, ads, insights, and all tools. You click on all tools. You now notice we have a lot that we can access here. We have the engage audience, we have advertise, we have manage, and then down here we have all these other sell products and services. So you will come here to sell products and services, and under commerce, and under it, you notice we have appointments, we have commerce, monetization, orders, and all that. So you come to commerce. Under commerce, you'll notice manage your inventory and sales across Facebook and Instagram. You click on that, and it will bring you to this page where you see sell on Facebook, Instagram, or both. You will click on get started there, and then choose a way to sell. We have one, create a shop, or two, create a catalog. Remember, our interest is to create an Instagram shop. So we are going to select the first one, create a shop here, and then you click down here on get started. And currently, the Instagram shops are available only for businesses that sell physical goods, and you can sell or advertise other items on Facebook and Instagram by creating a catalog. So you click on create a shop at the top and click on get started. And with that, your shop will be created. If you want to create a catalog now later on, after your shop is created, you will click on create a catalog. Then again, you do the same, you click on get started, and then you now be able to select the type here. You select the type of catalog. You can select the type here, the type of catalog, e-commerce, where you sell products sold online or available locally. You can select that. Is it an online product or local product? If it's travel, property, or auto. So maybe this is an online product. You click on next, and then you configure the settings where you upload the product information, or you can connect a partner platform such as Shopify, BigCommerce, and others. So if it's a physical product, you simply click on upload a product. You click on this one, and then you can do the catalog owner, then the catalog name. Maybe you want to call this whichever, it's personal. The catalog name, you can give it the name here. Maybe you want to call it luxury. And then you click on create. And then now the last step is to just click on finish, where you can first now view the catalog. The catalog has been created. You click on view catalog, which takes you back to the commerce manager. And so now the next thing you do now is to add items to your catalogs. To add items, you click on add items at the top there. You can choose your preferred option, either manual, data feed, partner platform, or pixel. If for instance you have a Shopify store, you can add items directly here, but you can also do that manually. Let me show you how to do that manually. You click on manual, and then you click on next. Then you're going to give the images here, the title, the description, and the website link. For instance, I want to add an image here. I want to create a new item, so I'll click new item. So to add an item, you click new item, but we want to complete this first item here. You click on add images. Then you select the image, choose file from device. So you can select the image you want. Then you click on open. So I want to upload that image of the dolphins. Maybe it's a wall painting. You click on that, then you click on save, so that now your image is added. You can enter the title here. Maybe I'll call it wall hanging with dolphins, or dolphins wall hanging. Then the description, you can give the description here about the item, maybe in terms of the size, the colors, and all that. If you have a website link, you can add a link. If you're done, you click on upload items. In case you don't want an item, you can simply come here and delete. If you want to duplicate an item, you can click on copy, so that you have a variant or a duplicate item. So if I click on duplicate, you notice now we have a wall hanging. If you don't want an item, you simply click on delete, and your item will be deleted. So that is how you set up an Instagram shop. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.